Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at the York Land Rover show, and on the Four Pot Land Rover club stand is Luke in his 110, Az and Keely in the Discovery one, and Tommy and Jason in their Series 3s. So Luke's 110 from 1983 is absolutely lovely. The entire Land Rover is a head turner anyway, but the main topic of conversation was the cloth seats wrapped in protective film, as they are as original as you can get. This lovely Discovery one is very much original and very much loved by the dream team Az and Keely. And on to Tommy and Jason's Series 3s. They were filling me with confidence about completing the Series 3 rebuild, which yes is still happening by the way for anyone curious. I was paying close attention to their camping setups as well, as I'm keen to do some exploring and it keeps me dreaming on about my series adventures. I'm in the market for a good roof tent and awning setup, so let me know if you have any recommendations. I'm committing a serious offence by bringing an L322 onto the club stand. Needs must, as everything else is broken or in some phase of being rebuilt, so the Range Rover is just hiding at the back of the stand. But Mayhem and Chaos, as I like to call them, don't mind the ride at all in there, and they definitely added some spark to the show for me. Anyway, on to the show. I do love a good Land Rover show. There's always a good variety of Land Rovers to look at, from Series 1s to like brand fire new Defenders. Now, I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but I think they are here to stay. Anyway, there is a good mixture and there's a good split of modified and standard examples. Plenty showing off their articulation skills. I'm on the hunt for a few bits and pieces, so the auto jumbles and trade stands is where I will be found at the moment. A lovely Honda Crossroads pulling in at the minute. So, like I said earlier, I'm paying close attention to everyone's camping setups at the moment. I need to get a finalised plan of my overland kind of camping setup ready for next year. My Christmas wish list is full of accessories like winches, portable showers. So if any of my family are watching, nudge nudge, wink wink. Something that does tickle my fancy is a 2.5 naturally aspirated XMOD 90. That is an itch that I do need to scratch. I always do look around the car park as well. There is just something about a marine blue Series 3 that really just does it for me. I think arguably probably the best colour for a Series 3, especially a short wheelbase. And I'm totally not biased, that was not biased at all. A lovely lightweight here, like a rose between two thorns. Anyway, back to the club stand and a final look round. These two definitely have the right idea. If this doesn't scream adventure to you, I don't know what will. Now don't get me wrong, you won't be getting anywhere quickly in a 2 1/4, but you will be getting there in style. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. If you are at the Land Rover Owners Show in September on the 6th and 7th, be sure to head over to the Four Pot Land Rover club stand and say hello. Anyway, bye for now and I will see you in the next one.